In this video, we try to understand the basic concepts of sorting. So if we see some basics. What do you mean by sorting? Sorting means arranging the data or elements in a particular order is called sorting. The order can be ascending, descending or alphabetical order. The order can be ascending, descending or alphabetical order. So we try to understand what we mean by ascending order. Ascending order means values or elements are strictly in increasing order. Strictly in increasing order. See this example 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All these are elements are strictly in increasing order. Descending order means all the values or elements must be in decreasing order, strictly in decreasing order. See this example 4, 3, 2, 1 are in strictly in decreasing order. Non-decreasing order, there is another kind of order, that is non-decreasing order. Meaning is that if you look at this example 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. If you observe these values are not strictly increasing but not decreasing also. That's why this type of order of elements are called non-decreasing order of elements or values. Non-increasing order means the values must be not in decreasing order, strictly not in decreasing order. See here 5, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1. All these are decreasing, not strictly decreasing order. So such order of elements are called non-increasing order of elements. Next type of order is alphabetical order, dictionary order. So the letters or words can be in alphabetical order. See here A, C, E, F, H, I. According to the alphabets, A first comes, next C, next E and F, like that. If you look at these words ant, bat, cat, dot, eat, fat, get, int. So according to the alphabetical order, so ant comes before the word bat, then bat comes before cat, cat comes before dot. So that is alphabetical order. So we see types of sorting technique. The purpose of sorting technique is arranging the data in any one of the order. Just I mentioned few orders: ascending, descending, alphabetical, non-decreasing, non-increasing order. You can arrange the elements or values in any one of those orders. So types of sorting techniques, aim is arranging the data in a particular order. So we try to understand different types of sorting techniques which are available. The first kind of sorting technique is internal sorting technique. Meaning is that these techniques, sorting techniques, are used to sort the data in the main memory or RAM. When the data is in the main memory, the internal sorting techniques are used to sort the data. External sorting technique. These techniques are used to sort the data in secondary memory. Secondary memory means, for example, when you are using hard disk, pen drive, CDs or DVDs, whatever the data is there on the hard disk or pen drive, okay, to sort the data we use external sorting technique or external sorting techniques. The main difference between internal sorting technique and external sorting technique is internal sorting techniques exclusively used for when the data in the main memory, means we use this technique when the data is very less, that is available in the main memory. When we have huge data, normally huge data or large data is available on secondary memory. Example is hard disk. We use external sorting technique. Next kind of sorting technique is in place sorting technique. Means this sorting, if any sorting technique is not using any extra memory in the implementation, then that sorting technique, or then it is called in place sorting technique. Next type of sorting technique, outplace sorting technique. If any sorting technique uses any extra memory like array for example in the implementation or in the logic, then that sorting technique is called outplace sorting technique. Then next kind of sorting technique, stable sorting technique. What do you mean by stable sorting technique? If the, for example, if the array contains duplicate values, after sorting, if those duplicated values are coming in the same order as in the original array, then that sorting technique is called stable sorting technique. If the array contains duplicated values, after sorting, those duplicated values order should not be changed. It should come as it is in the original array. See here, to understand the stable sorting technique, for example, the arrays are 5, array values are 5, 3, 4, 3, 1. So to differentiate these duplicated values, first duplicated value is 3, second duplicated value is another 3. So to differentiate these two duplicated value, for our understanding, I have written 3a and 3b. So for example, in that 5, first value, second value is 3, third value is 4, fourth value is 3, fifth value is 1. Only for the sake of understanding, I differentiated these two duplicated values 3, I have written as 3a and 3b. Now first duplicated value is at a of 1, second duplicated value is at a of 3. First duplicated value is at a of 1, second duplicated value is at a of 3. So after sorting, here after sorting, the array values are 1, 3, 3, 4, 5. That is the order. So first value is 1. So after sorting, see here the first duplicate value, that is 3. So we assume that 3a, first duplicate value. What is the position of 3a? A of 1. And second duplicate value is 3b. What is its position? A of 2. Then 4, 5. So between first duplicate value and second duplicate value, so which duplicate value comes first? If you observe, the first duplicate value is 3a comes before 3b. That's why if any sorting technique arranges the duplicated values like that, such sorting technique is called stable sorting technique. Now what we mean by unstable sorting technique? If the array contains duplicate values, after sorting, if those duplicate values are not coming in the same order as in the original array, that means they are not coming in the same order. If they are changing their order, then that sorting technique is called unstable sorting technique. Unstable sorting technique. So we try to understand. For example, array values are 5. So first duplicate value I am making it as 3a for our understanding. Second one is, third value is 4. Second duplicate value is 3b. Then last value is 1. So for example, all these 5 values are there in the array like this: 5, 3a, first duplicate value, second duplicate value. So first duplicate value is that at a of 1, see here. Then second duplicate value is at a of 3. Now after sorting, for example, by applying some sorting technique, okay, you sorted the data. If you sort the data, what is the result? 1, 3, 3, 4, 5. But after sorting, before 3a, 3b comes. See here, 3b comes and 3a comes after 3b. Now the duplicated second duplicate value is coming before first duplicate value, so it is not following in the same order. In the previous case, in the stable sorting case, the 3a comes before 3b. It is the proper order. Here order is changed compared to the original values. What is the original order? First duplicated value is at 3a, second duplicated value is 3b. The original error. After sorting, the 3b, that is second duplicated value, is coming before the first duplicated value 3. So this type of sorting technique is called unstable sorting technique. Hope you understand this one.